So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus and Moon Venus rising from 16 till the 22 of Feb 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, honey, this is not your story. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Taurus, the overall energy for Taurus people regarding their love and relationship area for this week. Let's see what we have. Okay. So we have the Five of Swords, a Moon card, and the Three of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Okay, there is something that's bothering you. There is something that's like a background chatter 24/7. It's there. There's a lot of confusion. There's a lot of secretive energies, hidden energies in the situation that is creating a lot of pain. But you guys are not able to point a finger on exactly where this pain is coming from. Okay. Wow, bottom of the deck is a King of Swords. So you guys are going to make sure that you guys are going to cut something or someone painful out of your life, out of your system, because this is not something that you are going to take forward, because enough is enough. So this is something that you can't, pinpoint, like this is painful, or this person is the one or to blame here, or this or that. This is something that's happening on an inner level, and you guys are going to make sure that you are going to cut through this painful energy and be okay again. Okay, so there is something that's bothering you, but you are not sure what it is actually, and you are troubled by this, and now you are trying your best to cut this out of your life, out of your system for good. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so you guys are on a mission of letting go of cutting something or someone painful out of your life, out of your system. Okay, it can be you getting triggered by old wounds, and you guys are going to be tired of this coming in your life again and again. So you guys will be like, okay, let's work on this. This is not going to be like this forever. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Taurus. Eight of Wands. This is someone who feels like having back and forth communication with you. If you guys are at a distance from this from each other, this person is feeling like coming towards you and meeting you face to face. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Wands as this person's feelings for you. So we have the World card, the Nine of Swords, the Ace of Cups. Okay, so this is someone who feels like they can't stress over the situation all the time, and they feel like they have to open up, they have to keep their heart open in this direction and let things flow. This is someone who is continuously overthinking about this situation all the time, creating stories and scenarios. Very anxious person, somebody who's not very expressive, someone who is not saying what they feel. Now this person is feeling like they should open up their heart energies again towards you. I'm saying again because this is someone who tried to be with you at some point of time, and something happened and you guys failed it. Okay, now this person is feeling like coming towards you with a fresh energy, with an open heart, and now they feel like having proper communication, proper energies of let things be, let things flow in a positive way. So this is someone who feels like they're overthinking, they're stressing the hell out of themselves, is not working out anymore. They feel like starting this chapter all over again with love, with the proper communication. Okay, that's a good thing. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Chariot, from your side, you feel like no matter what, no matter how many obstacles or challenges or whatnot you are going to face in this direction, you are not going to stop for anything or anyone. You guys are super determined to keep moving forward. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot here as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Taurus. We have the Five of Swords, the Moon again, and the Five of Cups. Yeah, you are You are so stressed out about a particular person or situation. You're not able to figure out what is off about this particular person or situation. And whenever you are in this connection, in this bond, it stresses the hell out of you. And all you get is heartbreak, disappointment over disappointment, regret, and or guilt. For some of you, you guys are trying your best to let go of something or someone from your past, and you guys are not ready to connect with anyone new, whether it's a new person who is interested in you, or newish person, or somebody from your past trying to open up. For most of you, it's somebody from your past with whom you had a fallout with. Now they feel like coming forward towards you with love, and now you feel like you should not give another chance, another shot to this particular person or situation, because still you cannot trust them. Still, you have a lot of painful memories and energies regarding this situation, and you feel like not allowing this particular person or energy to hurt you or harm you again in any way. My goodness, what is wrong with you, honey? There is someone around you who is quite interested in you, and you are like, I can't. Yeah. So yes, you feel like you can't open up to anything or anyone right now. You are still on this energy, in on this path of walking away and moving on from something or someone. Okay, and you are not able to trust anything actually. So you are having strong trust issues with people around you, and one particular person or situation gave you this experience that you should not trust anyone or anything on this planet earth. That's making you feel like no, no, no. No means no. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Ten of Swords. Their intention here is to, okay, get over the situation, get over whatever happened between you guys. This person wants to start something from the scratch by being in this energy of, okay, whatever happened. Let's see the light at the tunnel, light at the end of the tunnel now. Let's start from the start now. We cannot change the past, but we can at least change the future and the present. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Swords here as their intentions. They want to end something here. Okay. We have the Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups. Yes, this person wants to have a brand new beginning, a solid one, where both of you are going to be interested and invested in the situation and making things happen on a very, very deeper level. But they want to wait for the time when you will be slowly but surely able to completely let go of the past. Something, definitely something ugly, something stupid happened in the past between you and this particular energy. This is not a totally new person. This is not. This is someone who wants both of you to leave the past in the past, to completely walk away from the past and start from a clean slate where both of you are on the same page, equally interested and equally invested, and creating something meaningful together, something long term and meaningful. Wow. Let's see, what do we want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Page of Cups. You just want to keep your heart open. Okay. You're open to the idea of having message communication, apologies, and genuine heartfelt kind of energy exchange. You don't want your energies to be all over the place, but at the same time, you want to open up slowly but surely to the idea of connecting or reconnecting with someone. You're like, okay, okay, let's do it. Let's start doing it. Let's clarify the Page of Cups here as your intentions, honey. We have the Two of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. Wow. You want to wait for somebody coming forward towards you with a lot of love, with some kind of genuine heartfelt message, communication, apology, maybe genuine heartfelt energy of expressing their love to you, so that you guys can create or co-create something really beautiful and meaningful. Maybe you are hoping and waiting for some totally different energy from what who is interested in you. So somebody is interested in you, somebody wants a fresh start, a clean slate, and you might be hoping and waiting for maybe someone else or a new person or a new energy to enter in your life. You are open to the idea, you want to be open to the idea of receiving and giving love unconditionally. I don't think so. Your energies are directed towards someone who is coming forward towards you, who is very interested in you. Your energies are directed towards an energy of love, an energy of equal give and take of energy, an energy of, you are telling me I want to wait for the person who is going to be madly in love with me, and they are going to express it. We guys are going to feel the love with each other, and we guys are going to feel the love growing with each passing day. So definitely it's not the person who is interested in you. It might be a person that you are interested in, or it might be the idea of having the kind of love that you want in your life, genuinely, with all of your heart and soul. Okay? So you want to be open to the idea of being in love again, having this energy of receiving and giving love unconditionally. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 22nd of Feb 2026 Taurus. Okay, you are carrying the energy of pain though from something or someone. We have the Queen of Pentacles, typical energy of, okay, let me come back to myself, my money, job, career, finances. Let's be practical, let's be mature and grounded about it. Okay, let's be practical about love. How does that work? I don't know. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles here as the potential outcome for you guys, honey. Nine of Wands, King of Swords, Six of Wands. Yeah, you guys are going to be like, yes. So you guys are going to drop your guards down, but you are not going to allow someone to walk all over you again. You guys are going to make sure that you are going to be the center of attention of your own world, and you are going to do whatever it takes you to make yourself happy, to keep moving forward, to be successful and victorious, and make sure whoever you are going to allow in your life, whether it's romantic or otherwise, they are going to make you the priority of their life. So it's like you're sleeping, you're like a sleeping beauty right now, just sleeping and sleeping. And when once you're going to wake up, you're going to make sure that the whole world is going to love you the way you want them to love you. Otherwise, there is a board of no entry and no one is allowed. Less than what you deserve, less than what you want. I do see somebody trying to enter in your life. You're not completely denying the idea of connecting with them, but you are putting a stop wherever you are going to feel like they are not giving you what you want. So you are going to be like, okay, this is it. You're not giving me what I want. You're not actually giving me what I deserve. So, not a goodbye, but bye. Come back later. Cool. This is a cool energy. So, you are transforming a painful energy into this energy of self love, self care, self healing, to the level of understanding that what you deserve is what you deserve. You don't have to settle for less than what you deserve and what you want. Okay, so by the end of this week, I do see somebody interested in you. You are not going to close the door completely, but you are not going to open it completely. You are going to lower your guards down, and you are going to be open to the idea of accepting that kind of love that you deserve and want. And meanwhile, you are going to grow in this energy of self love like crazy. People are going to see your glow up. People are going to see how beautiful you are, how deserving you are, and how madly you are in love with yourself. And that is going to make people go crazy over you for sure, because this glow up is personal. Wow. It's not like you're showing it off to someone in particular, but they will also see it. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Taurus. This is seriously, this is screaming at me. This glow up is personal. Okay, let me show you who I am. Cool. We have the Lovers, the Nine of Pentacles, the Five of Wands. Make sure that whatever you are doing is coming out of love, not out of fear or conflict of, if I'm going to be with someone, I am going to lose my freedom and independence. Make sure that whatever you are doing is coming out of self love, self care, self healing. Whatever you are trying to attract in your life is coming out of love, not out of this energy of conflict of, okay, if I'm going to be in relationship with someone, if I'm going to give my love to someone, I have to be in a relationship, and if I'm going to be in relationship, I'm going to lose my freedom, and then it is going to be a shit show. If you are going to be scared like this from inside, you are going to end up attracting shit again. So it's completely fine to remain single till you are going to find what you want, till you are going to get what you want. But if you are going to continuously worry about it, continuously feel like conflicted about it, you are going to attract more and more conflict in your life. That's the issue here, that you guys have to take care of. Hmm? Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to a love and relationship area. Okay. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it, because it's also general. So I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take three deep breath, and ask your questions 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds. Your time starts now. The answer is yes. This is a full-fledged yes. I don't have to explain it to you guys. So, yes. Okay. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.